Hi everybody, Dave Blinder from eXp Realty. I am here with John, who is the Habitat Restore in Morris County's donation manager. John, could you tell us what the most valuable household donation items typically could be for the Restore?
Yes, so it varies throughout the year. Morris Habitat takes a variety of things, from bedroom furniture to living room furniture. We like yard tools, believe it or not. People often forget, oh, they've got a garage full of lawn and yard tools, lawn mowers. We take outdoor patio furniture. We love appliances. We never have enough appliances. That's one of the things we could use more of all the time. Um, but we have an age limit, maybe 8 to 10 years. It has to be newer. And because we resell these things to raise the money for our Habitat home building projects. So every restore is different. There's a Wayne Patterson restore. They may take a little different things than we do. And everyone's building is a different size. Morris Habitat has probably the biggest selection and the biggest building in North Jersey for Habitat restores. So,
And that is all tax deductible, is that correct?
yes, we are nonprofit. We rely on the generosity of folks in North Jersey to give their household items to us. I was just telling you, we do a lot of whole house pickups in the summertime. People are moving, and we're not just going for one chair, one sofa. We are picking up, 30 pieces of furniture, 3 bedrooms and the living room, the dining room. This morning, we did a whole house pickup over in Randolph for an estate sale company. We work with a lot of estate sale companies.
That sounds like a fun job. Okay, so they are on South Salem Street, Randolph. Is that right, John?
Yes,
The Restore?
274 South Salem Street in Randolph, New Jersey.
So before you put anything in a dumpster, make sure they cannot accept it. It's a great cause, and stop in the store and buy some stuff.
Thank you. We appreciate your support. We can't do it without the generosity of folks in North Jersey.
Okay, thanks, John.